Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I must start off by saying thank you to all my new subscribers. It's very much appreciated. Well, today we're going to repair my towed brake van that I got from Rapido Trains UK. If you remember, a few weeks ago I posted a video and showed it came with no wheels. Well, I've got the spoked wheels in now, so I'm going to fit them and we'll have a better look at the brake van. I'm also going to fit these Hornby magnetic couplings. So I'll do that first. That's the couplings fitted. Now I'll fit the wheels. It's quite awkward getting them in with the brake shoes and other bits in place. That's that one in. It's just awkward trying to do it on film. Trying to get the right position. I'm trying to see. It's got all the little parts on it, easily broken off. awkward that I can't get close to it with filming. It'd be a damn sight easier. But we'll see what I'm doing then. That's it done now. I had to come off camera because it was too awkward to try and see. I had to get in the light near my door to actually see where the bearings was, to get the wheels in. The wheels are now in. Everything's so fragile on this. These running boards. You can easily break them off. At least they're in now anyway. Right, we'll take a look at the model closer now. I say the parts are so fragile. All these rails along here are all just plastic and separately fitted. The roof comes off. Luckily the roof is quite easy. It's only these little magnets here. And then you've got the inside. It's quite detailed inside. You've got the stove there, you've got seats, you've also got some boxes probably keeping tools in. Then you've got this wire that runs across the top there. See, the roof goes on really easy. That's it, the roof's back on. Alright, I'll close my video for now, and thank you very much for watching. Like I say, thank you to all my new subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, which is about 80% of people who watch my videos haven't subscribed. So please watch my videos. Please like it, leave a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of new videos posted. So I'm due a few items coming in the post hopefully today, and then I'll get those videos made and uploaded. So thanks for now, and everyone take care and happy modelling.